Let's solve this problem with the missing materials that we noticed in the last video. I noticed that green marble is the one that's shown to be missing. So I'd like to start my preview tool, but it's not available to me at the moment. So I can solve that problem by going down to the toolbar here and selecting Query Material. That pops it into place quite nicely. Now, if I locate my cursor on the bowl, you'll see that no material is assigned to the bowl. And I've also noticed too that over here I don't have a shade material, which I should also have. So if I put my cursor on the shade, it also says no material assigned to the shade. However, the lamp base has the gold metal reflective and the table has the wood red exotic attached, so they're okay. I'm going to open the original palette from whence these materials came. So open up. Don't want any of Bentley's, I want to go and search for my own palette. And it's in the module 15, the previous one. It was the table palette, so I'll open that one. And now I see my table palette from this drawing and my original house palette from this drawing that we saved and brought into this drawing. So let's look at the table palette. Here's my green marble and here's my shade. So I need those two. But the gold metal reflective is already here, as is the redwood exotic. So these two can be deleted. We'll say yes to that, and that can also be deleted. Yes. Now let's just do a quick query material again. That still has the same material, that still has the same material, that one doesn't. So what we're going to have to do, unfortunately, is to reassign these materials to our two items. This is a little annoying, as you can imagine, but it does happen. And I wanted to show you this because you will come up against it and you need to know what to do. So I'm going to make a selection set of the bowl so I can apply materials to it. But before I can do that, I have to drop the status of this cell. Remember, we inserted this as a cell, so I can't do anything with materials because they're locked inside the cell. So off we go to drop element, this one, and we want to drop shared cells. So we click on the cell, data point, and we should now see individual items. Yes. So now I can make a selection set of just the bowl. Click on the green marble, and we'll apply it as an attachment this time. So data point, data point. Let's quickly do a query. Make sure it's happened. Yes, it's fine. Let's do the same thing with the shade. And attach material, and it will be the shade. Data point should be okay. Just double check with a quick query. Yes, we're fine. Okay, so that takes care of the materials. Now you have a choice at the moment where you can leave these as they are, or you can copy these into the house. I'm going to leave them as they are. We'll get rid of that. We're finished with that. Next thing, I want to move these objects into the building. I need to do a couple of things first. So I'm going to make a selection set of the whole assembly. Right click and click on rotate. I need 180 and I need a rotation point. Well, as it happens, it's selected the bottom corner of the front leg. Well, that's fine. I must be in top compass orientation, otherwise I'll get a very strange thing. And I can drop this anywhere, really, it doesn't really matter. Just drop it there. And we're done, so it's now rotated. I'm going to do the same thing with the bookcase. That's going to get rotated by 90 degrees. So this is still a cell, which is just fine. So let's select that and do the rotate. Let's drop this down to 90. There goes my bookcase. Anywhere will do. That's just fine. Okay, let's move these items into the building. Start with the bookcase. Move. I'm going to select that bottom corner there. Again, I need top orientation. I'm already at the correct elevation. And all I have to do is bring this in, and I'm going to plop it roughly against the side wall, somewhere, let's say about there. We can adjust this later if necessary. Do the same with the lamp. Move that. Move it into place. So I'm going to plop that somewhere about there in the corner. That will do, not too close to the corner because the bowl will hit the wall. It will do. And let's move the table assembly. Make that a selection set and move. And I'm going to pick up this back corner this time. Drop it into place against the wall. So the next thing to do is to locate a camera inside the room and look at that collection of objects in the corner. I will do that in the next video.